Get your tax refund. Now, your visit to Indonesia can be more enjoyable. The Indonesia government has provided a facility for a tax refund if you purchase goods in any shop or retailer with the Tax Refund For Tourists logo. Please feel free to visit any Indonesian shop with the Tax Refund For Tourists logo and enjoy your shopping time. Pay less and get the best. Tax Refund for Tourists. Tax Refund for Tourists is a facility given by the Indonesian government which allows tourist foreign passport holders to claim back value-added tax or VAT on goods purchased in any store registered as a Tax Refund for Tourist participant. Location. Tax refund counters are located in selected Indonesia international airports. Currently, tax refund counters are available at Kuala Namu International Airport, Medan, Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, Jakarta, Adi Sucipto International Airport, Yogyakarta, Juanda International Airport, Surabaya, Ngurah Rai International Airport, Bali. Term and condition. Any foreign passport holder who is not an Indonesia citizen or not a permanent resident of Indonesia who lives or stays in Indonesia no longer than 60 days upon her or his arrival is eligible for tax refund scheme. Number 1. Goods must be purchased from shop with the Tax Refund for Tourists label across Indonesia by showing passport and have a valid tax invoice. A tax invoice attached with one payment receipt from the shop. Number 2. Minimum tax payment is 50,000 rupiah per transaction, and amount of several tax minimum payment is 500,000 rupiah. Number 3. Goods are purchased within 1 month before departing Indonesia. Number 4. Goods must be carried out of Indonesia as accompanied baggage within 1 month of the date purchase. Steps to claim tax refund. Tax refund can only be claimed at the airport on the date of your departure, and you must follow these steps. Number 1. Submit the original valid tax invoice. A tax invoice attached with one payment receipt to the Directorate General of Tax or DGT officer in the tax refund counter. Number 2. Show passport, airline tickets or boarding pass and the purchased goods as accompanied baggage. Number 3. Receive tax refund by cash or transfer to your bank account. To help us provide you a better service, please ensure that you allow enough time to complete your tax refund claims procedure on the day of your departure. Your tax refund will be refunded in cash on the date of departure at tax refund counters before departing Indonesia or within 1 month if you requested payment by transfer. Payment of tax refund. Tax refund can be given in cash or transfer. A. By cash in Indonesia rupiah or IDR currency. Tax refund is given in cash only if the amount does not exceed 5 million rupiah. B. By transfer to your bank account. When the amount of tax refund exceeds 5 million rupiah, the refund will be made by transfer. The passenger should provide bank account number, account name, address, bank routing number to designated bank for transfer and requested currency for the tax refund. The transfer will be done within 1 month of receipt of application for tax refund. That's all, and enjoy your tax refund. Thank you.